Hi, today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make a quiz in Itslearning. So to start, I want you to go ahead and find the course that you're looking for on your dashboard. So today I'm going to go ahead and build this in my HTE Xidius course. And here's my course dashboard. So what I need to do is I need to click the little add button over here. And I will go ahead and create a test. And this test is going to be a spelling test, and I want it to self-grade so that I don't need to grade the words as my children go ahead and spell them. So what I'll do is I'll give this a title of Spelling Quiz Week 2, because I did one last week. I'll give a basic introduction here, saying students will go ahead and click on the play button to listen to words being read from this week's spelling list. Please put on your headphones and press the play button. Type the word you hear in the blank box. Alright, so now as you scroll down, you'll go ahead and there's currently no deadline, but this will be an assessment with a score. And I will make it mandatory for all students in the class. And it's currently not active because I want to go ahead and change some settings and put the questions in there. If I made it active right now, it would go ahead and make students be able to take it, and if they take it before I'm done editing it, it will not allow me to add questions to it later. So the scoring method will be without a penalty. I want them in the same order, so I'm not going to check some of these boxes. I want them to be able to go back and forth between questions in case they need to. They only need one attempt on it, but if I wanted to, I can give them multiple attempts. I could also give them multiple amount of minutes or unlimited minutes here. And I don't want to offer any feedback because it's a spelling test, so I want them to do their best as what they already know. So I'll go ahead and hit save. And it'll kick me back out to my dashboard, and Spelling Quiz Week 2 is right here. And I want to go ahead and add some questions. So for a spelling test or any test that I want them to go ahead and grade themselves, I have multiple options here as far as what questions I can give. So we're going to do a fill in the blank for this type of test. Now in box number 1, this is where I can go ahead and use the content editor and insert images, audio, video recordings if I wanted to. So I'm going to go ahead and I will select audio recording, and I'm going to name it Week 2 Word 1. I'll select Allow. And for this, we're only going to do 2 words this week, so we're going to keep it simple. And in order for this word, I will press record. Word 1, dress. Dress. Sally bought a new dress. So I can go ahead and listen to that back, and it'll tell me that I am doing it correctly. I like what I hear, so I will go ahead and I'll insert it. And now that will pop up in this top box here, and all I need to do is add a 1 and type out the word. Once I type out the word, I highlight it and I create a blank. Now the student will see a blank there and they'll have to type in the word. And down here it tells you what the blanked word is, so that is the correct answer that we will be looking for. I do not care if it's case sensitive at this particular point because these are not proper nouns, so I don't really need it to be uppercase or lowercase. I want it to automatically grade the assessment for me, so I will go ahead and keep that box checked, and I will make it out of 10 points. I will add the next question. And here I will go ahead and do week 2, word 2. Click allow. And this word will be pen. Word 2, pen. Pen. I like to write with a blue pen. Pen. I go ahead and I listen to it back. I like how it sounds, so I go ahead and I insert it. You could also upload your an audio clip that you might have previously saved to your computer. I'll go ahead and type 2, pen, create a blank. Again, keep everything the same, make it out of 10 points, and I will hit save. I will click on the spelling test. Now I want to review that test before I make it active. So here it tells me what the question is. I hit play and I listen to it. I hear the word dress. I go ahead and I type in the word dress. I hit next. I listen to word 2. I hear the word pen. So this time I'll make it all caps. Case should not matter, so I will go ahead and exit the test as it prompts me to. And it shows me that I got both words correct, even though I spelt it pen in full caps. It does not matter. And if I click on detailed results, it'll show me that I spelt it, how I spelled each word, and the amount of points I got. So as a teacher, I could go ahead and have my full class roster on here, and at a glance I'll be able to see how everyone in the class did and how they spelt it. If they misspelled a word, I'll be able to go back and give them feedback saying please go ahead and correct the spelling on that. So that is how you create a spelling quiz. Let's go back, and now I can make it active, and any students in my class, which there currently are none, would be listed here underneath, and I would see their results once they went ahead and completed this. And that is how you can create a spelling test. Have a good day.